Hey there, fellow exercisers. Today we're going to do a stretch that works the hips, works the shoulders, and works the neck muscles. So what you want to do is come to the edge of the chair, legs are going to be wide, feet point down. Now I want you to notice my left shoulder and just watch how it rotates. Okay, so hands are going to be on the knees, left arm is up. Now I want you to focus how this rotates while I look down at my right knee. So, rotate, look back up, rotate looking down, back up, rotate looking down, back up, switch sides. Bottoms up, rotate, look back up, rotate, look back up, rotate, look back up, come back. So again, just going at your own pace. Working your shoulders, working your hips when the legs are wide, and just go slow and steady. Not to mention you're also working the neck. So again, arms up, as you look down, rotate that shoulder, look back up, rotate, look back up, rotate, look back up. Switch sides, rotating, look back up, rotate, look back up, rotate, look back up. As always, going at your own pace, doing as many as you like, so long as you work those shoulders. I hope that helps.